I'm so glad you're here with me today, jumping in, getting all this stuff done with me, so let's get going. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Today is a busy day for me, and I'm going to start off the day by making the bed. Making the bed motivates me so much. I notice a difference in how I'm feeling and how productive I am during the day if my bed is made or not. It's really weird, but I know there's a science to it. I read about it one time and it blew me away. And it's so true. If you need to get motivated and you're just not, make your bed. It really does make a difference. Part of my morning routine is starting a load of laundry and folding a load of laundry. Then I do a little bit of desk time, not a lot, maybe a half hour desk time where I will go over our budget, check the bank. I check the banks every day, make sure everything is aligned and right and we can catch any frauds. And then I start answering your comments on the latest video. I will make some Instagram posts, plan Instagram posts, go over what I need to film for the day, print anything out that I need to print out. I'm done with my computer time. It's time to really get going and start this day. I have a whole list of what I gotta do today, and this helps me keep track. I write everything down. If you have a planner, use your planner. If you have a phone, use your phone, or a pad of paper. I've been really liking this lately. So I have a lot to do today. I wanted to continue to get stuff done in the home, but I really need to run to Deseret Book to grab Shaylee's scriptures. She got them engraved. Shaylee's getting baptized tomorrow. So Derek and I got a really nice set of scriptures. We got her name engraved on them. So I need to go pick them up. They're ready. And then I need to run to Walmart to grab a few groceries for after her baptism. Some refreshments. We're going to come back. She gets baptized at like 9 in the morning. So we're going to come back and just have a little brunch. Nothing big, just little. Tomorrow is a packed day. We're celebrating things with Callie and Felix tomorrow. So there's some big milestones happening for our family tomorrow for the girls in the family, Callie and Shaylee. So we have a baptism. We're going to the temple. It's so exciting. So big day tomorrow, so I need to get ready for that. I'm so glad you're here with me today, jumping in, getting all this stuff done with me. So let's get going. Okay, I'm home. Here's our haul. I picked up some lemon streusel muffins and blueberry. We're gonna quarter these. Some fully cooked sausage. I'm just gonna throw them in the slow cooker in the morning. We have some oranges and a pineapple, strawberries, bananas, and then I will just serve it with some of this cream cheese fruit dip. And then I grabbed 2 bags of mini bagels. And then I have some cream cheese, the garden vegetable mixed berry, just regular cream cheese, and then strawberry cream cheese. And then an assortment of spoons, forks, and knives. I didn't need the forks or the spoons, but I needed the knives, so whatever. We'll just use this. It's really annoying that Walmart doesn't sell just the plastic knives. And then the basmati rice. We're out of rice in the house, and we were going to make a really yummy meal the other night, but we had no rice, so basmati. And then orange juice and some napkins and paper plates. And then I already put downstairs a big carton of eggs. We're just gonna have a little light breakfast right after, and then just chill until the next event that night. So, all right, I'm gonna put this stuff away and it's time to clean the house and decorate. All right, the mudroom has gone a little bananas. I'm gonna have shoes brought up to the closets, and we're gonna get this cleaned up. And so that way we can decorate up here. So it's just life. Oh, I'm gonna take this vest off. I wore this out as like my coat. It's so warm. I got it from Maurice's. It's so, oh, it's hot. I'm hot though. All right, oh, my hair is so staticky. Okay, what do you guys do for staticky hair? Is there a product that you could put in it? I know people say like dryer sheets if you rub them on you, but I don't want to rub dryer sheets on me. Those are so filled with chemicals. So what do you do for staticky hair? Because I got it going on. Let's move into the main area of the home. There is the table out in the foyer that I want to clear off. There's still some leftover things from putting decorations away. It's a little crazy, so I need to get that cleared off, wipe down the baseboards, dust. The stair area needs dusting, the fireplace area, and then I have my boxes of decorations, and we're gonna figure out what. I'm not gonna try to solve the solution of how to decorate the house right now. I just want something put out so it looks nice and not empty, especially for tomorrow when company are over. So I'm just looking at for not to be so bare.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
Okay, here's the table in the foyer. Just keeping it simple. Had these lanterns in the windows in the family room, but I'm putting them here. I think I had them here originally before the holidays. And just some lavender plants that I've had for over the years. These used to be in my kitchen up high on the shelf. And then just a family picture of us in Hawaii. I want to add another family picture from my side of the family on here too. So, but I'm going to put that there to remind me, and I'll have two pictures here. And I might just do little pictures of the family on here. I don't want to crowd it, but just a couple. Maybe I'll do two more and maybe get frames that match and have them here kind of toward into each other, and then something small here and something small here. So I'm just going to keep it simple right now, and I'm liking this. This runner I grabbed from Bed Bath & Beyond. Yep, that's where I grabbed it from. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, friends, so much time has passed by. It is late. It's like way past my bedtime, but Derek and I were up just hanging a few things, a few decorations up, and just fixing a few things. So he's in bed and I sat on the couch and messed with my phone, and then like an hour later, the phones are so distracting. But anyway, we picked up and we decorated a little, and yeah, so let me share with you what I've done. This is what it ended up looking like, just super simple. I switched out the family picture and just put this pray more, worry less sign here. Okay, and then in here, we took off the cover to this ottoman and washed it, and it's just drying over this chair right now. And yes, if you don't know, we got a new couch for Christmas. That was Derek and I's Christmas present to each other. So what I did was hung our big wreath that used to be on our door at our old house here on the window frame we have. We want to get another family picture over here, but I just added some decorations that we had from the old house on there. Everything else is simple. Tomorrow I'll show you the 2 plants that we put behind there. They're IKEA plants. Let's see, in the mudroom, same thing as I done before Halloween went up. So that's up there. That bathroom is scrubbed out and beautiful. All right, kitchen table. This runner I got from Ross for like $7, I want to say. $7. And then this is a new plant that I got. It's fake, obviously. This I got at Home Goods for $24, I believe. So that's there. I've got all the food, well, everything but the cold stuff, out here on the counter with my slow cooker. So I remember in the morning, let's get going on the sausage, the bacon, and I need to pull out my other slow cooker to put in some scrambled eggs that we're going to keep on warm. I'm going to do that in the morning. So the counters, just super simple. I got this going on. I don't know. I've got some decorations that I just don't know. I don't know. And over here I have my tea set. We put the fork and the spoon up there. KitchenAid over here. Dishwasher already ran for the night, so in the morning I'll empty it. It feels good to have the house now completely done from the holidays, cleaned and decorated. Oh yeah, and I decorated upstairs too. I'll show you that. So it just feels good. Feels so good. So what I'm going to do before I hop into bed is I'm going to wash the floor, then go to bed, and then wake up early and get us all ready and out the door. So, all right, I'm going to wash the floor, and then I'll see you tomorrow.
On my own, but I'm never alone. On a road to wherever I want. And you see, I go with the wind, the places I've been, I keep them within. Holding on to a feeling so strong. On my own. On my As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. so offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl.
It was a good morning, huh? Shaylee's baptism was beautiful. It was so good. Derek baptized her. So we came back and we had breakfast. It was so good. And now everyone has left. It's like almost noon. And we're just here with family.
Great morning.
Yeah. We're heading to the temple tonight for Callie and Felix. They're
Go to the temple for the first time.
So yeah,
It's gonna be cool.
It's gonna be great. Another great night. We've ordered mobetas. It'll be picked up after the temple. We'll come back, hang out, eat, and play some games. So it's gonna be fun. So now breakfast is all done. Everyone's left except for our family and Felix. So I'm gonna clean up this mess. A lot of stuff is already kind of put away, some leftover food and stuff. So we have some dishes here. I'm gonna empty the dishwasher because it has not been emptied this morning. So we're just gonna lightly pick it up, not too bad. Not too bad at all. And we'll get ready for round 2 of the festivities today with Callie and Felix. Did this not
No,
run?
that didn't go. That didn't go, Kenny. Because I noticed it this morning. In fact,
This was turned on last night, but the detergent part didn't open.
Somebody must have. Was it blocked?
dirty in there.
Was it blocked by something?
Maybe this straw.
Yeah, it was blocked. Gotta be careful what's in
More
there.
things I think in the bottom. Callie, watch the screen.
Well,
Watch the screen.
I'll fill what I can and then run it, and then we'll wash all the rest by hand. Let's do that again. All right, we are back, and we ordered Mo Bettas for dinner. This is what we ordered for Callie's graduation. Macaroni salad, chicken, their Hawaiian rice. We have rolls, a Caesar salad,